like this together on Oahu.
Yeah.
On Oahu.
On Oahu.
Yeah. We want to travel all over now together.
Yeah, we'll get a few gigs today.
Do the tour.
Anybody go on Baby Luau?
Baby Luau class reunion,
Weddings.
Mother's Day concerts. Let us know.
Yeah.
Oh, I have to tell you, Sister Ipo, she got in touch with Darlene a couple days ago, and she said, "Okay, Karen, I get them. We're wearing red." And I went,
For Hawaii Island,
"I don't think so." What color are we wearing, brothers and sisters?
blue and white.
Yeah,
Blue
there you
and
go.
white.
Not just any blue and white. Kamehameha.
Blue and
and
white.
white.
Absolutely.
Yes. Okay.
Well, not bad. We get uniform now.
Absolutely. Except Zakalani.
He's waiting for his holocaust.
Being raised as a product in Kalihi. Yeah. Everybody go, hey, hey. We don't do that anymore because we had class.
So what do we do now?
Aloha Yahweh. Eku aloha ene. There be no one place. As evening shadows fall, I hear your sweet melody. It brings back fond memories of you. I'll be so lost without you. Everything seems so blue. My heart keeps saying it's you. It's you, just you, my darling. Eku aloha ene. There'll be no one in no place. My babies, yeah, there'll be no one in your place. I'll be so lost without you. Everything seems so new. My heart keeps saying it's you. It's you, just you, my darling. Eku aloha ene.